I just stop paying for my timeshare, or will that affect my credit?
All right, that's my biggest pet peeve. I've been on Reddit before, and I hate when anything that people say, just don't pay them, nothing will happen. It's my biggest pet peeve. All right, if you stop your payment on your actual timeshare, you go behind on mortgage fees because they're still in perpetuity regardless. What will happen is you'll go to collections and then foreclosure. It won't ruin your credit forever, but it can ruin your credit for up to 7 years. It could basically hinder your ability to actually have a mortgage in the future, and then also it will ruin your interest rate or not make you not applicable for loans or any line of credit like credit cards or credit car loans in the future. Then, and they do send you to collections. They do send you to foreclosure for non-payment after a few years.
And since you help people get out of timeshares, do you do credit repair as well?
We do. Some people, unfortunately, are a year or two behind. Some people can't afford their fees or their mortgage anymore. So we do help build credit for 3 years then for free.